Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix unable to launch 𝗦𝗵ici𝗿 session 𝗦𝗵𝐶 𝗦𝗵 black screen on Linux Mint. As you can see the error whenever I log into my user account. To fix this, restart your computer by pressing the physical restart button. If you are on laptop, holding down the power button for a few seconds, your laptop will be shut down, then power is done. Now we are at the login screen. And this is my user account name. Now press CTRL Alt F2 key at the same time. The command prompt will appear. Type your user account name. Enter your user account's password. Make sure the internet is connected to this computer. Now enter the command one by one and step by step. All the necessary commands are given in the video description box. Now our computer will restart automatically. Log into the user account. And the desktop is appeared and the black screen problem has been solved. If you have any questions about this, you can feel free to comment down below and I will try to answer. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you at the next one. Goodbye.